Hey everybody, welcome. Now I want to make a short little video talking about these foldable solar panel abilities and something I want to know how it affects this, because one of the biggest issue with a lot of devices is the coloring. Black is the worst enemy for devices left out in the sun. And this is a solar panel. I know it gets light, and I know it's supposed to convert light into energy, but how does heat affect the solar panel system and its performance? Now, as you can see, this is a black casing with, of course, some little divots and such forth of green and white, but the rest of the entire thing is black. Even if this material is a heat-resistant material, it will still absorb heat, and this will be very hot when it's left out in the sun for a couple hours. And I know solar panels can be left out for what, couple hours. People use it for 12 hours per day, and that's got me thinking on how that affects the entire performance ability for it, or if it would even damage the entire solar cells for the panels, because this is a monocrystalline foldable solar panel system, and monocrystalline is a dark bluish kind of black coloring for its cells, and that's also near black, and that absorbs heat also, and that's got me wondering how that affects the entire performance ability after it's left out for the sun for a couple hours. Because sure, the operating temperature of these are around below 120 Fahrenheit, but these devices can get up to around 300 plus Fahrenheit just in physical touch ability. So these are going to be burning pretty hot when it's left out in the sun for a good long couple of hours. And even in the summertime, when it gets physically outside to be, for us, to be 120, these are going to be left out in the sun, plus in the heat. So these get really hotter than we do in being out in the open for a long time. So that's got me wondering is, how the entire affects the solar performance, and if this will be damaged from the entire solar cells because of their dark coloring, and if they would bubble too much and start affecting the entire solar performance, or how the heat would even affect its solar performance through your devices and whatnot. So comment below, tell me what you guys think, and how that affects it, because that's something I've been wanting to wonder about for these little panel systems. I mean, yeah, sure, they're solar panels and they are supposed to absorb light, but the biggest issue is heat, and that's what I'm wondering about. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.